This is a Scaleform Flash file. It is used to create user interfaces in games, like the menus in Skyrim. It is a compiled Flash file. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain how it works. Before we get technical, the simplest step is often overlooked: installing a general file opening utility. This often works when the specific GFX application fails. More details to follow. The Adobe GFX file extension can refer to two distinct types of files. It may be associated with Scaleform, a user interface middleware for video games, containing vector graphics and animations. Alternatively, it can be linked to Genigraphics, a legacy presentation graphics system, storing presentation slides and visual elements. Scaleform.gfx files are typically compiled from Adobe Flash (SWF) files and optimized for real-time rendering in game engines. They contain vector graphics, animations, and ActionScript code. Genigraphics.gfx files are a proprietary format used by the Genigraphics system, storing presentation data in a specific structure designed for their hardware and software. The software default for the GFX file type is the solution provided by Autodesk, Inc.'s Scaleform GFX. The raw visual data is present, but Windows lacks the necessary parser to display it correctly. Windows offers limited visibility, so proper use depends on dedicated design software. To force the file open, right-click your GFX file and select Open With. If Scaleform GFX is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If the GFX file won't budge, stay calm. The stubbornness of the file suggests a specific weak spot. Let's test these common failure points immediately to see where the problem is originating. First, use Scaleform GFX. Open the file using Autodesk Scaleform GFX, the required application for the game UI video file. Next, check dependencies. Ensure all associated textures and script files referenced by the file are present. Finally, check Game Client. Launch the associated game client that automatically loads the .gfx file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.